Head Outdoors Scotland, where hopefully I can inspire you to explore nature in the great outdoors. Today I am getting my garden ready for the RSPB Big Garden Birdwatch. I've just been filling up one of our feeders with what has become the most popular mealworms for our birds. So now that the garden's ready, we've got plenty of food and we've got some water, all that's left to do is to stick the kettle on and get watching. This year is the 40th Big Garden Birdwatch run by the RSPB. I ordered my pack for this in advance, so I have a sheet that have been sent with some of the most common garden birds on it. And to take part, all you need to do is look out your window into your garden, or if you know that you don't get many birds in your garden, you could go to your local park instead. You sit for an hour and you have a look and count the number of birds that come. It's not the number of birds overall. What you're looking for is the maximum number of each species you can see in that 1 hour period. So this sheet here has spaces for me to do tallies, but if you don't have this, please don't worry. You can also complete your findings online. The Big Garden Birdwatch started yesterday. I'm doing it today, and you are also able to do it tomorrow as well. So still plenty of opportunity to see what birds you can find. My pot of tea is now ready. I have just got a small hot chocolate to make for my mini helper. We've got our binoculars looked out, we've got our seats ready at the window. It's time then just to get looking for our birds. When I was putting mealworm into the feeder, because they're quite small, some of them fell out onto the ground and onto a slab that's out there. And I'm quite happy with that because it means that ground feeding birds that we have, or bigger birds like a wood pigeon, they're not able to actually feed from the bird feeders, so it gives them a wee tasty treat as well that they're able to get. So while I start looking for the first birds arriving, why don't you have a look at the species that I've managed to spot this week as part of my big year. So again, not quite as many as I did that very first week, but as I've been saying for the past couple of weeks, what is going to happen is as the weeks go on, I'm going to see less and less because I'm now getting into the stage where it's the more challenging ones that I need to try and find. But I'll keep going. I'm really enjoying it and learning about lots of fascinating new birds. It's time to set the clock and see exactly what birds are going to come to our bird garden in an hour. So let's get the camera turned round so you can see what we see as well. So time is up, and sadly the only thing we saw this year was a wood pigeon. But it's just as important for RSPB to know what you didn't see as well as what you did. I'm going to be entering my results online later on this afternoon. I hope if you have done a big garden bird watch, you have managed to see a lot more than I have. Join me next time when we're going to be taking a closer look at some of Scotland's most popular garden birds and finding out a lot more in-depth information about each of them. See you then!